I'm Lissy and I work for the charity at Russia UK. Our charity works with different communities to protect nature here in the UK. We help educate people about nature because taking action together can make a bigger difference.
Hi there, I'm Julia and I work at Hope for the Future. We're a climate communications charity based in Sheffield. Our work is all about helping people to have better conversations with their elected representatives about climate change. For example, you've got a local councillor at your local level and also an MP at a national level. Those are the people in power who can help you to create real change in your community.
So why should we care about nature and our environment? We believe that God loves the earth and we are all God's hands and feet. It's really important that everyone does more and that we do all that we can to make sure we're protecting our earth and every living thing.
We think it's really important to be passionate about climate change and to translate this passion into action because all of the choices we can make on a daily basis are influenced by climate change policy. And at the end of the day, it's our councillors and MPs who are in charge of that policy. For example, how we travel to school or to work, how clean the air we breathe, and how green the electricity that heats our homes, all of that is influenced by climate policy.
But did you know that in the UK, more than 1 in 7 native species face extinction, and more than 40% are losing their population numbers? You would have heard in the media of Greta Thunberg speaking about climate change, or that young people have been protesting on the streets across the world to show governments and world leaders that we care and we want them to take more action to help nature too. One really important way we can protect nature is to enjoy it. Could you encourage your family to go for an hour walk in nature locally at the weekend? Could you take a photo of something new that you see and find out more about it online? If it's hard to get out into nature, can you bring nature into your home? You could grow a sunflower, have an indoor camping experience, create an indoor garden, research your favourite bug, bird or mammal and share a fun fact with a friend. It's great to share what you're doing to care for the environment with others. So here's Alexander with his sunflower, here's Gabriella litter picking, here's Limmy and her video on a local walk, identifying trees in a nearby green space. We can all be hands and feet for nature.
So, what can you do about this really important issue? The first thing you can do is do a bit of research. Find out more about your local MP. There's a really great website called theyworkforyou.co.uk where you can find out all about their voting history and their interests. Number 2, write them an email. Firstly, introduce yourself. Make yourself really personable and someone that they want to get to know. Tell them why you're passionate about tackling climate change, what you're doing in your local community and in your life to tackle it, and then ask them, what are they doing to tackle climate change? And number 3, meet with them. It's in person, face to face that we can really change hearts and minds and make real change on this issue. Why not invite them to your school, your college or your youth club? The more people they hear from, the better.